JC, mountain and jar. Bam! Let's get this started. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hey everybody. So I was super busy today. So I just got back. I want to knock out this video I have for you guys. But I'm gonna have a snack. These are lemon cucumbers and crushed pepper and salt, which is probably crushed, but not by me. This bad boy does it all. Lemon cucumbers. Enjoy. It's almost like the snap of a well-oiled vintage knife. You hear that? I think I'll have another. Ever ask yourself, is it worth it to buy a $5, $10 knife, maybe a $1 knife, maybe a $15 knife, $20 knife? I don't know. Should you just save up your money and buy a $100 knife? Well, here's what I think. I think if you see something you like and you can afford it, whether it's $1, whether it's $5 or $100, give it a shot. Make it yours. What I like to do is I'll buy a knife. Something that I'm interested in, something that can tell a story. And I'll learn from it. Let's take this pretty awesome looking Imperial Canoe. It was affordable. $12 in total, everything delivered. How you like that? Modern technology. Very nice blade, if I do say so myself. I'm pretty sure Schrade would say the same thing. Not a bad snap. Nice, clean pen blade. Nice, clean spear point. Isn't it interesting how spear points are pretty darn close to drop points? But I still like spear points. So I do not know the year on this, but I do know it's pretty darn clean. So I'm just assuming that some feller had a liking for collecting knives as well. Just kept it inside. I like to take my knives out, so you'll see this in an upcoming video. But am I happy with the purchase? I am. Does it tell a story? A little. Is it gonna tell a story? It will. So I learned something. This has a hardness Rockwell of only 30. And that's likely because of the steel, which is 3CR13. And that's really closely related to 440A. So I call this purchase a success. Good night.
I pee, Dad. I pee.